What's up, YouTube, traders, investors? Today, I got some bad news. Well, kind of bad news. I had to sell all my positions. Basically, I drained my Robinhood account because I'm trying to sell my house and there were some things I needed to do to get it ready to be sold so I can make more money. But I was bummed, I was down. But I started thinking, I'm gonna turn this negative feeling that I'm feeling into a positive and basically start from scratch with my Robinhood account. And this way, y'all get to see everything I do. And I wanna build a little community where I take your comments and we talk about stocks and I invest in the stocks sometimes that y'all pick. I mean, I'm gonna do my own research, which you should do your own research also. But I mean, the more people, the better. You know what I'm saying? When you have more people looking at something, they might see something that you don't see. So, starting today, I'm gonna do a $100 a week investment challenge on the Robinhood app. And you get to see everything that I do. Every move I make will be documented. So, with no further ado, let's get into the video. Before we get in the video, there's going to be a link in the description below for Robinhood. If you use that link to sign up, you get a free stock, I get a free stock, it's all good. And you stand a chance of getting a Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, Facebook stock, GE, Ford, Energy Transfer. It's all on the screen right there. Use that link to sign up. Okay, here we are on the Robinhood platform. This is the web platform, the view that you're seeing now. As you can see, I have $115 in my account. Now, this is $100 a week or maybe $100+ a week challenge on the Robinhood app where you're gonna be able to help me invest. You're gonna see everything I do. I'll take comments on particular stocks. But that $15 extra you see in there came from a dividend payment from Ford. As you know, I was in Ford, but stuff happens. But like I said before, we're gonna turn this negative into a positive. So today, I've been looking and the market is pretty down right now. I think I see a lot of buying opportunities. But what we're gonna look at today and invest in today is marijuana, because I believe these stocks are approaching lows that they're gonna rebound from. And if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that we're trending with marijuana. So today, this $115 is gonna be invested in marijuana stocks. Okay, the first marijuana stock we're gonna invest in is gonna be Aurora Cannabis, ticker symbol ACB. I divided the $115 by 4, which we're gonna invest in 4 marijuana stocks today. And that equaled out to about $28.75, somewhere around there. So I've already got it here, four shares at $7.15, $28.60. So we're right there where we want to be. We're gonna make this a limit order, and it actually went up 1 cent. So it's at $28.64. We're gonna go ahead, review this order, and then we're gonna submit buy. And voila, we now own 4 shares of Aurora Cannabis. So we're gonna move on to the next stock that we're gonna invest in. The next stock we're gonna invest in, marijuana stock that is Kronos Group, ticker symbol CRON. Right now it's sitting at $13.60. So the math, we can get 2 shares of Kronos Group because that'll fall in our $28.75 range. So let's go ahead and make sure we're on buy. Then we're gonna hit, I believe, 27.20. So we're a little under that $28.75. So we're gonna go ahead and do a limit order. It went up 1 penny, $13.61. We're gonna make sure we get it at $13.61. We're gonna review order. Actually, it just went down. We're gonna change this. This is what you need to do. Watch this. It's dropping right now. So we're gonna go over here. We're gonna change this to 13.58 because we want to get it at the exact price that it's at right now. Or if we could try to get it lower if you wanted to. If you have a good inkling that this thing's going down further within your time frame, or you've been watching it and you see, okay, I think it's going back down to whatever price that you think. Go ahead and put that price in there and submit your order. It might take a little while to get filled, or it might not ever get filled. So, but right now you can see this thing's bouncing around a few cents. So we're just gonna go ahead and put 13.60 because I'm cool with 13.60. I've been following Kronos a little bit, so today everything dipped even more. So we're gonna go ahead and set this at 13.60. Review the order, submit buy, and we'll see if it gets filled right then. And there we go. It's filled. We now own 2 shares of Kronos Group. Moving on. And the next one is gonna be Apria. If you know anything, I actually sold this position because I was closing everything out for the money to fix my house. But this thing dropped even more. I got out at a pretty good price, but since then it's dropped, and we're gonna get 4 shares. We can't get 5 because that goes over our 28.75. So we're gonna be a few dollars under that 28.75 goal. So I've already got the 4 in there. We're gonna do a limit order. We'll change it to 6.30. Now we'll change it back. Let's keep it at 6.31. We're gonna go ahead and review this order, submit buy, and let's see. Bam, we got 4 shares of Apria, ticker symbol APHA, purchased. So we're gonna do one more stock, and that should be about our limit. We might have a little bit left over. And there's a couple cheaper stocks I was looking at. Maybe we'll get 1 share of those, or maybe we'll just let it sit there. But moving on. And the last marijuana stock that we're gonna invest in today is Hexo. On the last video I talked about Hexo. Hexo is like a premium play when it comes for marijuana, and they're also already partnered with Molson Coors. So 28.75. We could put 4 shares in. It's 24.92. So once again, we're a few dollars under. But if we have any money left over and we have enough to add another share to one of these positions, we'll do that after this. But as you can see, this is at 6.23. We're gonna go ahead, do a limit order, 4 shares, 24.88. Just to make, okay, 6.22. Review order, submit buy. And let's see if we get filled. It's spinning. This thing might bounce up a penny or 2. It's placed. So we got to see if it fills. Sometimes it'll fill rather quickly. Sometimes it might take a little bit. But you just have to be patient. If you know you want it at that price, leave it set for the day. And if it buys, it buys. If it don't, it don't. It just wasn't meant to be. So we're gonna come back if this thing fills. Okay, we're back. It took it about 3 or 4 minutes to fill, but it did get filled. We got in at 6.22. It's went down a penny since then. But just to show you, be patient whenever you do a limit order. Let it sit there. Typically, it's gonna fill, not unless the stock just takes off. But then it just wasn't meant to be at that particular moment, and you can cancel that order that you place at limit order and get in at a higher price if you want to. But this is pretty much gonna conclude this video. We'll go back to the home screen and you'll see that here are our 4 positions. Your stocks are gonna be up top and then your watch list is gonna be underneath it. But as you can see, we're in Apria, Kronos, Aurora, and Hexo. And as you can see, we're up 1 penny. But I mean, when you get in these stocks, these marijuana stocks that are trending up, it's where we're going to is marijuana. You got to stay in these for the long. And I thank you for watching. Also, there's gonna be a link in the description for Robinhood. If you use that link to sign up for Robinhood, you'll get a free stock. I'll get a free stock. It's all good. 0 fees. As you saw, they didn't charge me a dime to invest, to buy these stocks. Whereas other brokerage accounts are gonna charge you anywhere from $4.95 upwards to $10 every trade. So this is totally free. I wanna thank you all for watching again. See you in the next video.